Hi, Russ Gaspard here for MDF2 1406. This is my Project 4 video, a day late. I think I remember reading somewhere that there's no points awarded for late submission of a reflection video, but that's fine. I thought I'd just take a few minutes and go through my code and take a look at the project. So here's my project running in the simulator. Movie time, and you can see I've got, I guess, 6 movies in the first theater, and then the second theater I have 5 movies, and the third one I have 6 movies. So this is all hard-coded data, but the movies are loaded into an array, and then that array is a property of the theater object, and then the 3 theater objects are loaded into their own array. So I think I got the data structured appropriately. So any one of these, it's got the title of the film, an image, and some show times. And when you click it as required, it comes to our detail view, and I can either go back home or click my watch trailer button, and
he's got a knife.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
And I've got my stop and play buttons, and I can take it back home. So this was actually a lot of fun. I had a good time.
Go ahead. Make my day.
Had a good time hunting down all these cool clips from all these old movies and putting together my advanced table view with the section headers and the movie player functionality. So real quick, I'll bring up the code. It was really pretty straightforward, getting pretty comfortable making objects. I've got my two custom objects here, the movie object that holds all the elements there, and I did build a custom init function for my movie object so that I can init with data, and that way when I create each one, I can just feed all the parameters into it right there on the spot and build those movies. A custom theater info object, and for the theater object I just exposed the properties and set them directly from outside rather than on a init. So most of my code's in the main view controller that holds my table view. I did build a custom function to hard code all this data. Beyond that, I've got the various functions required to deal with the table view and the not just number of rows in section and cell for row at index path, but also the number of sections and the custom headers creation. So that all went pretty smoothly. Then I've got my custom detail view with its own view controller attached, where I'm passing the movie info object over as a property. There's my current movie property. And then I did the same thing in my movie view controller. Passed the current movie over as a property so that I can grab the URL to the preview and everything else I might need. So it was a fun project, and I learned a lot. It wasn't quite done by midnight, but here it is. So I'm looking forward to seeing what comes next in the program, and I appreciate the course. Thank you.